Hello boys and girls, it's Friday the 14th of December 2022. Just doing a quick little video. You guys remember this piece? I'm going to make that fire and ice. It's going to be blue on one side, probably that side blue, then that side red coming up throughout all the veins and stuff. It's going to be pretty cool. Here is the table that started my obsession. I started on it. It's not finished yet. Then I got sick. Then I got moved out to the backyard and was used as storage table for a long time. And now it's back to get refinished. So this used to be the bottom of the table, and I poured the table, got everything surfaced on the other side, and I'll give you guys a video of the other side later. Then I flipped it over once I demolded it and saw this. I'm like, well, damn. That is, I think I like this side better. So I'm going to flood coat this side. Keep all the green. That was just where the bald spots were from the original pour when I poured the main table. Like I said, this used to be the bottom. And flood coat this side. Then I'll flip it over and give a traditional finish on the other. So it'd be sanded and polished and stained and all that good stuff. So alright, look forward to sharing my labor of love with you guys. Take care.